Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: an account, 2FA, and the Mega app or web client. First, sign in and verify email. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and store the recovery key securely. Next, install the desktop or mobile app so transfers run reliably instead of depending on the browser. Make sure you grant necessary permissions for file access. This avoids permission errors later and lets you start uploading immediately. You'll now transfer and structure your data. Begin uploading by dragging folders into the client or using the upload button. While uploading, create a clear folder hierarchy and consistent file names so syncing and sharing stays predictable. Use labels or tags for quick search and configure selective sync on the desktop app to keep only needed files locally. Once files finish uploading, confirm checksums or file sizes to ensure integrity before moving. Finish by sharing and protecting your data. Create share links with or without the encryption key and set expiration or access permissions depending on sensitivity. Then schedule automatic backups or continuous sync for critical folders so you won't rely on manual uploads. If something goes wrong, first check your internet connection and that the app is up to date. Next, verify you haven't exceeded storage or transfer quotas. If errors persist, restart the app and rerun the upload from a small test file to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.